What's going on again, world? My next EDC knife review will be on the SOG Knife Key. Also, this is one of my actual everyday carry and utility, so I decided to do a good review on this. And this one, yes, I have this on my keyring. Also, I got this at the same place. Got it at Walmart, also very common. So for $10, that's how much I got it for. Awesome. So yes, this is my second time doing a good review on this. So here it is. Very small. Alright, so another thing, this is very common at Walmart. You can pick it up at any stores you go for, wow, for $10. No problem. Nothing, nothing much and nothing special. This is just your average folding knife. Just opens like this, like that. Also, I use this as a letter and mail opener. That's what I also use it for. So I got this 4 years ago. Works great. Another one of my everyday carry and utilities. So anyway, let's show you up close. Yeah, it's very small. Easy to carry, and yes, fits anywhere on your keyring. Yeah, it doesn't bulk up. It's very slim. And yeah, for $10, no problem. And I've been using this for 4 years, so I have again, I have this on my keyring. Works great. So make sure we have a good view here and a good focus. This opens like that. Yeah, this is just your average manual folder, like that. Not much. Yeah, just like that. And yes, you can pick it up at any stores you go for, wow, for $10. No, awesome deal. So anyway, this is my second time doing a good review on this. My actual everyday carry. And it still has a good edge to it. I use this to open up the mail and letters. And right there, there's some wear on it. Yeah, there's a little wear on it because yeah, I have this on my my key, by the way. And again, very common. You can pick it up anywhere you go, other than Walmart, for $10. No problem. And yes, this is one of my favorite knife keys, by the way. All right, put it right there. All right, and here's the original box. I keep it every time, so here's the box that came out of it. I always keep the box every time. Right there, still have it. I got this 4 years ago. Yep, so here's the original box. All right, now the usual recommendations. Yeah, no problem. Awesome for $10. Great EDC. Fits anywhere on your keyring. Yeah, very small, easy to carry. Yeah, very slim. Yeah, perfect for opening up. Yeah, this is a good letter opener, mail opener. Also, good backup tool due to its small size. Yes, this will fit anywhere on any keyring. And yeah, this is one of my favorite key knives, by the way. And for 4 years, I've been using this for 4 years, and works great every time. Never had a single problem. Well, it just opens like this. Hold on, make sure we have a good. There we go. Yeah, it just opens like that. Manual opener. And there you go. For awesome for $10. And again, you can get it just about anywhere. Yeah, looks great. Works great. Oh, looks great. Works great. It still has a good edge to it. Still sharp. Yeah, very small, easy to use, and yes, fits on any keyring. Yes, I have this on my keyring, by the way. Just took it off just to do a review on it. Right there, awesome. No problem with it at all. Yeah, right there. There's some wear on it because there's some wear on it because it's been on my key for a while. So opens. I'll show you again one more time. So just opens like that. Yeah, manual opener, very small. And yes, one of my favorite everyday carries. And there you go. So this is one of my everyday carries right here. For for 4 years, works great. So again, let's show you again one more time. Just opens like that, and like that. There you go. And there you have it. I gave you a good review on one of my everyday carry and utility. Yes, one of my favorite EDCs right here, the SOG Knife Key, again for $10. Yeah, no problem. And you can pick it up, just about anywhere. Yes, again, will fit on any key ring. But very small, very slim. Yeah, perfect. Perfect for opening up the mail, letter as a letter opener, and yeah, your usual working tool. There you go. All right. So again, if you come across this, let me know what you think, and thanks for watching.